Hello everyone, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to see some exciting job updates, and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply any particular job, so I'll provide the link in the description. From there, you can apply for that job. So first hiring is conducted by the Shell, and they are hiring as graduate program. And the location in which they are hiring is Bangalore, Gurgaon, Mumbai. So these are the location in which they are hiring. So this is the job description. As you can see, if you are pursuing or completed a bachelor's degree or master's degree or PhD degree, you should be have less than 3 years of experience. You should have strong communication and interpersonal skills and have valid work authorization for India. This is the eligibility criteria. So next hiring is conducted by the Capco, and they're hiring as Gen AI engineer, and the location in which they're hiring is Pune and Bangalore. Here you can see the job description. So these are the technical skills are required. So proficient in Python, experience in Python web frameworks such as Flask and Fast API, experience in machine learning, deep learning, experience in using Gen AI or AI LLMs, that is GPT, NLP, transformers, exposure to the Gen AI services in Azure will be preferred, experience in working in cloud environment such as Azure, then proficient in version control systems such as Git. We should have the relational database knowledge such as SQL Server, familiarity with the JavaScript would be beneficial. So these are the some technical knowledge you must have. So next hiring is conducted by the Humble Tree, and they're hiring for software development, and the location in which they're hiring is Coimbatore. 4.5 LPA you will get. Role is software development, and they're hiring for skill based. So skill based hiring they are doing. Selection will be based on the logical thinking and coding ability, not just on resume or grades. There are two opportunities, internship plus full-time opportunity will be there. So student and graduate can be apply either internship or full-time roles based on their academic status. So here are the two types they are hiring. First they are hiring as internship, and their second they are hiring as full-time. So if you are currently in final year or fresh graduate, you have completed your graduation, so they can apply for this SD1 full-time role. And if you are currently in third year, then you can apply for this student internship. Okay, so you have not completed yet your degree, right? So apply for this internship first, then based upon your internship you will get full-time opportunity as well. Then here you can see which branches are eligible. So computer science, IT, then AI, data science, CS related branches are eligible. And note, this program is open only for BE, BTech, computer science related branches from colleges in Tamil Nadu only. So only Tamil Nadu state BE, BTech in computer science students are eligible. So here you can see the work location is given here, the exact address is given here. Then the selection process, how they are selecting the candidates. So first round will be the logical reasoning assessment, second will be coding assessment, third will be domain assessment, and fourth will be the technical interview. And technical interview will be in-person interview will be there. Then the registration has already started from 14th March 2026, and it will end on 22 March 2026. So do apply for this job. So next hiring is conducted by the NVIDIA, and they are hiring for 2026 graduates. VLSI role will be there, and here you can see who can apply for this job. BTech, MTech, dual degree or MS, they can apply for these jobs. Specializations such as CS or circuit branches can be applied for the job. You should have 7.5 CGPA or more than 7.5 CGPA can be applied for the job. The hiring process will be next basic will be there. It will be online technical test. The next advanced will be there. Online technical tests will be there advanced. Then after that you have two technical interview rounds will be there. So basic will be on 12th April, advance will be on 9th April, and interview date will be 27 April onwards. So if you are eligible, so just DM your resume. This is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.